Hey everyone, this is Steve from WebAiry. Today I am going to show you how to enable sound and change time zone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your VPS. Then click on the Start button in Search Services in search bar. You can see the services icon. Click on it. Now click on any services and press W. It will take you to Windows Audio Service. Right-click on it and Start. Now you can see this icon. It's turned on and you are able to hear sound. Another thing about service that startup mode is manual. You can also change it to automatic. So in case your VPS get restarted, your audio service automatically started. Simply click automatic and click OK. Now next thing is how you can check and change your system time zone. Simply click on time and click on change date and time settings. Here the default time zone which is set on VPS. The US and Canada time zone is listed. So in case if you are using UK, France or any other location except US, so you can change the time zone according to your requirements. You can select all the time zone from list here. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Feel free to ask your question in the comments section. Keep sharing. Thank you.